Hi, I'm Dr. Anndrea Hatcher from Olive Branch Park Veterinary Clinic, and today I'm going to talk about the Panther Chameleon. At their adult length, males are 17 to 20 inches and the females are 8 to 13 inches. The females are smaller with less vibrant coloring. Their enclosure temperature range should be 75 degrees Fahrenheit at the cool end and 85 degrees Fahrenheit at the warm end. At nighttime, it should be 10 to 15 degrees lower than the day temperature. Their humidity should be 60 to 80%. The Panther Chameleon is diurnal, and being handled is stressful to them, so this is a pet that you watch rather than handle. Their lifespan is 5 years. For their enclosure, you don't want to house chameleons together. Because of the high humidity that they require, it's important to have good airflow to prevent mold growth. So aquariums aren't suitable. Use a 2 foot by 2 foot by 4 foot high screened enclosure. Mesh such as PVC coated hardware would work, but not fine metal mesh or fiberglass mesh. Leave the bottom of the enclosure bare or cover it with newspaper that can be frequently and cheaply replaced. Do not use substrate that can be eaten. Put non-toxic live plants in the enclosure, such as hibiscus and pothos. You can also add plastic vines. Chameleons don't drink from water bowls. They will only lick drops of water off of leaves. So you will need to purchase or make a drip system. In addition, spray the enclosure with a plant mister twice a day. And the heat and light bulb should be placed on the outside of the enclosure to protect the chameleon from heat burns. So the equipment that you're going to need if you're going to have a Panther Chameleon is the chameleon enclosure, a drip system, a plant mister, 2 thermometers, a humidity gauge, a UVB bulb that you would replace every 6 to 12 months. You may need a ceramic heat emitter for additional heat, reptile calcium and vitamin D supplement, reptile vitamin and mineral supplement, a timer so you can have 12 hours on, 12 hours off of the UVB light, plants, and food. For food, you can feed them crickets mostly, but also some waxworms, mealworms, roaches, silkworms, and grasshoppers. Feeding a variety of insects is good. Do not feed fireflies. Don't feed wild-caught insects which may carry parasites and may be exposed to pesticides. Feed adult chameleons every other day. Shedding will occur every few weeks to every few months. All reptiles may carry salmonella, which can cause disease in humans. Very young and very old humans are most at risk. Always wash your hands after handling reptiles. New chameleons should be examined by a veterinarian and have a fecal sample checked for parasites. They should have yearly physical exams and intestinal parasite exams after that.